I've been coming to the centre now for about a year, or just over a year. Started through the exercise referral scheme from my GP due to a specific health condition. I found that fantastic. It's helped my condition no end. I've lost some weight as a result of it, which also helps the condition. Moving on from that, it was 8 weeks gratis then with the centre. Having completed the 8 weeks, the impetus was there to continue, and I could see massive health benefits in it, and I signed up then for a year's subscription into the centre, and I've been coming ever since.
But I found it good to help my own health, because I did suffer from hip problems, knee problems, but that seems to be on the mend. So I recommend it to anyone, really.
When I joined the gym, it was for exercise, my health and well-being, and it's good sort of mentally and physically doing exercise. So that was my primary objective, is to keep that going. But also as a way of getting to meet people, and to meet people that are sort of like-minded and got similar exercise interests, if nothing else, because it's always a good sort of starting point. So I've just found that, coming to the classes, it's good for exercise-wise. You can do a variety of things, and at the same time you're meeting a variety of different people.
They come into the gym on their own as well, which is something we wanted to strive for, because obviously these classes are wonderful, but if they can't get a space, that doesn't mean they can't come to the gym. And we'll even find like little groups of friends coming together, so they keep themselves accountable, they all kind of come and have a little fun. They'll even run their own little circuit on the machines that we've taught them, which is great.